Hi, I'm April with WTI. If you're looking for a great auto diagnostic scanning tool, GRIP or Grand Rapids Industrial Products has got you covered. Instead of taking my vehicle to a mechanic shop and getting a huge bill, I can now run my own diagnostics test anytime I want. I absolutely love that this is a standalone unit with no need for batteries, meaning it gets its power directly from the OBD2 data link connector in your vehicle. I truly enjoy that the LCD display is very easy to read. The device is super easy to use and the buttons are very easy to navigate. The instruction manual is very helpful with a list of all the codes and their definitions. I like that it can erase trouble codes and reset the OBD2 system, as well as turn off that pesky check engine light. I really appreciate that it works with most vehicles 1996 and later, because I think it would be a great investment or even a wonderful gift. But that's just my point of view.